Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to bake my Christmas fruit cake the authentic Jamaican style. So join me in the kitchen and let's start this baking process. So first off, I'll add 2 cups of water to my pot, 3 cinnamon sticks and some bay leaf. So once the water starts to boil, I'm going in with my fruits, and these fruits have been soaking for 1 month in red label wine and white rum. I have 1 pound of raisins, 1 pound of prune, 1 pound of cherry, and 1 pound of cranberry. So now I'm adding some spice. I'm adding 4 tablespoons of ground cinnamon, 5 tablespoons of vanilla, and I'm going to cover and let it cook for 1 hour. This is how it's looking after 1 hour. So now I am going to cover on low heat for another 30 minutes. So guys, if by any chance you need to add some more liquid, please do not add water. Add some more red label wine or some more rum. So now it's time to cream my butter with my sugar. So now it's time to prepare my dry ingredients, and as you can see, I'm sifting my flour before using. I'm using 4 cups of flour. I'm using baking flour, but you can also use all-purpose flour. Now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of ground cinnamon and 2 tablespoons of grated nutmeg. I'm also adding 4 teaspoons of baking powder. So this is how my fruit is looking after cooking for 1.5 hours on low heat. So now it's time to whisk my eggs. I'm using 12 eggs. Initially I had planned to use 9 eggs, but the eggs were so small, so I end up using 12, and I'm whisking with 2 teaspoons of lemon zest. So now it's time to add my egg mixture to my sugar and butter batter. And as you can see, I did not add all the egg mixture at once. I'm adding it in small portions. So you want to add your egg mixture in small portions and cream as you go along. So guys, after I have cooked my fruits for 1.5 hours, I am now going to blend for approximately 1 minute. So once I'm done blending my fruits, I add it to my liquid mixture, and that is the egg mixture with the sugar and butter batter. So now it's time to add some browning. I'm adding 4 tablespoons of browning, and this depends on the color that you are going for. I'm going for a darker color, so I'm using 4 tablespoons of my favorite browning whenever I'm baking, and this is my Eve browning. So now it's time to add my powder mixture, and this includes the flour, the ground cinnamon, the nutmeg, the salt, and my baking powder. So now my mixture is ready to bake, and this is how I know I have the perfect consistency once my wooden spoon stands in the middle. So I'm using my parchment paper to line my baking tins. So first you want to grease your baking tin with some butter before you add your parchment paper. Some people dust it with a little flour, but I prefer to use butter. So what I did, I cut the parchment paper into circle shape so I don't have any problems lining my baking tin. So they are ready to bake, and I'm going to put them in my preheated oven on 250 degrees to bake for 45 minutes, and then I'm going to lower the heat to 200 for another 45 minutes. So this is the end result. The cakes came out perfect. They are so moist and they are so nice. I'm so proud of myself. So guys, thank you all for watching. Please leave a like, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please subscribe. Also hit the post notification bell to be notified whenever I post another great content. See you all on my next video. Bye. Happy Christmas.